What's up, guys? Devin Adventure Hobby Passion doing another video. We're doing part 2 of the NEBO Expo. We're doing the really cool stuff, the awesome stuff. We're doing the drag races. So we're gonna jump right into stock class.
Hey, they're going and heads up, here they come. Point to one, they're good, point to the other, they're good. And yeah, there we go. Way to go. And they're off.
Oh, he's coming back! Dang! 20.
Holy moly! Right lane winning that one. Right lane. Oh, he's in the left lane, looks like. Right.
We got some big old slicks on that one, some big old PVC. Who's ready for a good race? Is he gonna spin too much off the line?
Okay, right now we've got McLean Mosley and Antonio Guarini. And
23. Don't worry, boys, we got Travis right here. And then we got his other buddy that's gonna be racing. See what they can do. Oh, 26! Alright, now we got a mini snowmobile and a drift trike. Still with his plastics on. Spinning for days, spinning for days. Too low geared to move. And he's done.
Slow start.
Oh, he's spinning them too hard. Taking off. 24. And he came back!
To SCSD.
26!
Up to 20.
I'm spinning for days! Is he gonna get traction? Still, oh, I think someone.
Before you go, at least.
26. All right, after stock class, now we're gonna go do pro stock. It's gonna be a lot smaller. Oh, she gotta get her! No! Dang it! And after pro stock, now it is going to be open class. Also, one more little cool thing. We had to sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And after open class now, it is going to be super senior. So anyone that has ever competed or had a bike that they built in high school, they can compete. And no, I didn't compete this year. Maybe next year. Dang!
And Mr. Hallam with the win.
All right, I hope you enjoyed all those amazing races. There's lots of craziness. The bikes that won when I was racing the year before, 2 years technically, but COVID killed the event. They didn't run as good this year. One of them, the fuel pump went bad or something. It didn't barely move. And then the alcohol bike didn't rip hard at all. He didn't launch hard, didn't do any, but he didn't have any competition, so might as well not be super hard on the engine. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, but biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passion.